Uploading an email list to GetResponse seems simple, right? But if you don't do it the right way, you might hit a roadblock like list rejections, compliance issues, or even deliverability problems. Stick around, because not only will I show you exactly how to upload your email list to GetResponse, but I'll also reveal a better alternative that offers more flexibility, higher deliverability, and an extended free trial just for our viewers. So let's get straight into it. First, log into your GetResponse account. On the dashboard, click on Lists, then Add Contacts. If you have a small list, you can manually enter emails. But if you're uploading a CSV file, select Import Contacts and upload your file. Next, you'll need to map your data. GetResponse will try to auto-detect fields like first name, last name, and email, but always double-check. If your file has extra columns, remove anything unnecessary to avoid errors. Now, the critical part, list compliance. GetResponse is strict about permission-based marketing. If your list includes purchased emails, expect issues. They may reject your list or ask for proof of consent. If you see a notification that says your list is under review, it means GetResponse is checking for spam risks, which can delay your campaign. If the upload goes through, your emails will appear in your list. From here, you can set up an autoresponder or a broadcast campaign. But keep in mind, GetResponse enforces double opt-in by default on some accounts, meaning subscribers must confirm before getting emails. If you want to disable this, you may have to contact support. Here's where things get tricky. GetResponse has strong anti-spam filters, which is great for keeping email quality high, but it also means your list could get flagged even if it's legitimate. If you notice deliverability issues, missing emails, or high bounce rates, that's likely why. And that's exactly why many people switch to alternatives that allow more flexibility and control over their lists without as many restrictions. If that sounds like you, I've linked the best alternative with an extended free trial in the description, plus a few other top options that might be even better for your specific needs. Through our link, you'll get exclusive perks that aren't available anywhere else. Check it out below, and I'll see you in the next video.